What up, guys? It's Matthew Vick with SonomaStrongHauling.com, and today I'm going to talk about my best investments, the money I spent in my junk removal business. My best investments, guys. The top 5 investments I spent doing junk removal. The number 1, top of the list, guys, was buying a dump trailer. That was a game changer for sure. It made life a lot easier. Ain't no reason to load a trailer up and unload it twice, guys, or buy a box truck, load it up and unload it again. It's a no-brainer, guys. When you guys take your trash out, do you guys pick through the trash and throw it into the dumpster, or do you guys just dump it? So it's a no-brainer, guys. A dump trailer or a dump truck is one of your best investments in the junk removal business, guys. That's just my opinion. A lot of guys will not agree with me, so you can save money and recycle more if you guys have a box truck. I disagree. You can throw all the recyclable stuff and all the metal on the top and then go recycle first, then go dump. It's a life changer, guys. I mean, a back saver, a life changer, a game changer, whatever you want to call it. Just pull up, undo the back, push the button, bring it down, and go. It's fast and easy. It'll save a lot of time, guys. And another great investment, getting decals on your vehicles, guys. I spent $250 on my decals on my trailer, and I've gotten a lot of business parking by parks, parking by grocery stores. It's a great investment. Put decals on your vehicles, guys, and your phone will start ringing. Another investment, uniforms. Uniforms, guys. Great investment. You look very clean, professional, and people like to hire people that are professional. If you show up looking clean cut and you guys have uniforms, your crew looks good, you guys can charge more money. Another great investment, you gotta have a website, guys. A website with great SEO. Great SEO. You gotta put those keywords in there. I got my girl that set up a GoDaddy. Wasn't that hard for her to do. She put a bunch of keywords in there. We rank high in Google search, and it's just a thing you need, guys, for the junk removal, for your junk removal business. And you gotta have business cards, guys. You got to have business cards. I made my business cards off my phone. I did the graphics. I took a picture, messed with some graphics for a while. I kept coming up with a logo, kept changing it, kept coming up with a logo until I figured out the logo I wanted. And once I got the logo I wanted, it took a while. When I got the one I liked, I knew it, guys, and I got some business cards. So business cards, logos, well, business cards, dump trailer, decals, uniforms, and websites. You gotta have a website, guys. How you get your repeat customers, how you build relationships, and it's just something you guys need to have. It looks professional, guys. This is a no-brainer again. Hope this short video can help you guys out. I'm Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Hit that like and subscribe button, and check out my other videos, guys.